What is up, traders? It's December 24th, 9 a.m., half an hour before the market opens. Anyone in the US, you guys won't be able to trade today, at least in American markets, so that's unfortunate for you guys. So I'm probably going to be taking advantage of some volume. I think that we might have some American volume and traders come over to Canadian stocks to maybe try to get in on some of the tendies that we're having today, at least during the 4-hour period that we're able to trade. So I'm going to be watching very carefully, just seeing if we get any spikes of volume that don't seem really regular for a Canadian stock. And now I'm going to go over my next strategy for the month and a half. That's just a strategy for today. So I put together a list of all the crypto stocks that have basically tied themselves to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because when those two run, the stocks run with them. So here's the list here. I'm putting together a spreadsheet of the prices that they were at when Bitcoin was at highs and lows. So I'll have a better spreadsheet for you guys probably at the end of the weekend. So I'm just trying to figure out what's overvalued and what's undervalued relative to the price of Bitcoin. So I've got a paper here that I wrote stuff down based on the last two runs we had. Bitcoin is...
Good morning, James. Good morning, Justin. Time to wake up and get the day started.
So when Bitcoin was 42,000, Hut 8 was $4.8, and then when Bitcoin hit 46, it was 6.4, and then on August 23rd, when it hit 50,000, Hut 8 went to 7.3. Now, I'm factoring in that people want to be on this next run, so Hut 8 is probably at a fair value right now. Marathon, so I'm just going to do August 23rd pricing. Marathon, $38.75, Bitcoin was 50,000. So pretty much fair value if you look at it. Yeah, we're sitting right at 38, and that's where I traded to. Riot, when Bitcoin was 50, it was worth $37. So I think that Riot might be a bit of a lagger here, and I'm going to be probably putting some money in Riot. Voyager, I didn't find anything for Voyager. They're just, they were simply on the NASDAQ during August. And Hive moved a lot from the low prices of Bitcoin, but once Bitcoin hit like 50,000, it really didn't move at all. So I'm probably going to stay out of Hive just because it doesn't seem like it has moves that are really comparative to the other stocks that are based on crypto. So my watch for today is Riot. Hut 8 I'm going to put off the table, or at least I'm going to put it on as a fair value. Marathon is a fair value. Voyager, I think, I don't have any metrics for Voyager currently, so I'll have to get that for you guys. And Bitfarms. Oh, Bitfarms was 6.4 when Bitcoin was 50,000, and it's sitting at 5.8. So I think that Bitfarms might be a little undersold or underbought too. So that's my plans for those. I'm putting a small cap in shorted stock list together. I just haven't got around to it yet because I just kind of thought of it this morning. I'll probably do it over the weekend for you guys, and I'll keep you updated on that because I think there's still a lot of opportunity to be had in shorted stocks and small caps that basically got beat to the ground, like Shift, SFT. Look at this one. So if we go to the daily chart, just destroyed from the start of the year, $15 all the way to $3. If we can catch this one on the run up, there's some huge profitability that could be made. So this looks really good. I'm just not convinced that this is the bottom. I think it could still go down to like $2, even $1, but we'll see. There also can't be many sellers left in it realistically, so. The indices, they were up yesterday. I don't know how they're going to do today. They seem to be all right. Everything's okay in after hours as of right now. A little bit of selling off, but that's okay because it's kind of what expected from yesterday's all running. Backed, I don't know how to trade back, so I'm probably not going to trade it. I'm probably just going to watch it. And DMGI, I am not going to trade that one either because I don't know what they do, and if I don't know what they do, I'm not going to trade them. So I think that's really all I have for today. Yeah, I think that's all I have for today. So I might be buying Riot. I'm still holding Matterport. I've sold out of HUD 8. And I think that's all for today. Again, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion and what I'm doing. And you guys have a good day.